I'm Elijah, and you're watching Dahhhlings Pearls. Hey my Dahhhlings, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title below, we are having pizza, but it's from a place called Pizza Time. It used to be Reel's Pizza, Bomb Pizza, so it's still kind of the same. It's just not as dense as Reel's used to be. It used to be really heavy, like a brick. But it's still pretty good, it's not bad. Different owners, so pretty much everything else that they had was still the same. And then we got some cactus cooler right here. You all remember this? Let me know in the description below if you guys ever had cactus cooler. It's been a minute. It's been like years since I had a cactus cooler. So I got some paper straws. I hate these straws, but they're cute. Look at it. Yes, they're purple. So you're gonna do whatever you're gonna do, I guess, to save the environment, the ocean, the sea life and stuff. They're pretty. The bad thing about these is that they get soggy like really quick, so I have a few on the side. So hopefully, yeah, that's the bad thing about those. But again, it's good that if you guys ever had a paper straw, you know what I'm talking about. It starts to dissolve and get mushy and fall apart on you. So, all right, over here, this is called the grinder. So it comes with some chips, it's cheese, crushed pepper, got some napkins, and this is the menu. So this is pizza time, you all. And the menu and stuff and what they have. So they really got some good stuff there. They got like chicken wings and what else do they have? A lot of good stuff. I'm too hungry right now to go over the menu. So let me show you what the sandwich looks like. So this is the grinder. Yeah. Oh, ooh, they gave me quite a few of these. I love these. Y'all go to Olive Garden, they put these in the salad. Bomb. So they have two sizes. Doesn't that look good? So it's pretty big. So this is one sandwich. Yes, ma'am. So this is a large and they have a small. But I'm pretty good with the large. That looks so good. And the pepperoncinis, okay. Y'all know me, I love variety. I got some chips over here. And then I felt like having pizza today. Like this alone would have been good, but I've been craving pizza for the last 2 weeks and I'm like, no, I have to have it. So this is their mini. They have a small. The small's it has 10 slices, and so they have like an extra small. They call it the mini. They said it has 4 slices. So whoa, look at that. Y'all see that? Woo! It's gonna have that little slot in the bottom, or I probably would have lost it. But yeah, look at that. So this is 4 slices. That's pretty big. And again, it's from a place called Pizza Time. Look how cute their box is. It's funny, I see like a glare, so I hope you guys can see that, because I'm seeing like a big reflection or a big glare, but maybe that's just on my end. So let me open up this cactus cooler. Straw in there, but you already know before we begin, we're gonna go ahead and give that little prayer. All right. Dear Father Lord, thank you for this food I'm about to receive. In your name I pray, amen. Woo! Okay, let me open these. I think ooh, I forgot how sweet this was, kind of. It almost tastes like, if you guys ever had those sweet tarts, I think they're sweet tarts. They're like, whew, this candy is like, it's like a little roll and there's like pink, and there's, I think it's pink and green and white, and they're small and they're round and they're like in a long, narrow tube thing, and there's like maybe 10 or 15 little ones in there. That's what it tastes like. Yes, ma'am. Should get a thumbnail, huh? Get my cactus cooler in here. This over. Okay. All right. All right, that's gonna have to do. Yeah. Oh, I just been craving pizza like crazy for the past couple of weeks. Look at that. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. All right, you guys. You have the first bite. Go for it. There you go. It's nice and hot, fresh. Mmm. Yeah, that's right. What do I do with the napkins? It's buried over here. That is good. The pepperoni's a little different. I think they're a little bit bigger and they're sliced a little bit different, but this is good. Mm. Man, pepperoncinis, the juice. Yep. Ooh. Just an FYI, if you're new or watching this, you're not into the smacking, the chewing, the loud chewing. Not that I'm doing it intentionally, that's just part of, you know, mukbangs. So if you're not into that, so you know this video might not be for you. These are so good. Mm-hmm. Mmm. I don't know how much this one was. So I thought the small was gonna be like this size. I totally forgot they have large, extra large, large, medium, small, and then they have the mini. This is the mini. That's just pretty big. I would say if this is all I was eating, I think I could probably finish this. Mm-hmm. I'm not big on ranch, but I don't know why, like I'm kind of craving it. I kind of want to dip it in some ranch. Mmm. So good. Kind of worked out. I was gonna get jalapenos on top. Totally forgot, but then they gave me a bunch of these, so that'll work. Sometimes they're like pickled. Sometimes these are spicy. The one I just ate was pretty good. A little picky, not bad. But I love spice. Mm-hmm. Finally got that fix out of the way. for my craving. Is there anything that you guys have been craving lately? It doesn't have to be food, like ice cream. You guys have a sweet tooth, chocolate, cookies, chips, yogurt, frozen yogurt. I used to crave pickles all the time. I don't know why, but I love me some pickles. Yeah, it's so good. Literally, it's down the street from where I live, like 5 minutes, if that. I don't eat the crust on the pizza. Never really did. Unless it's like extra crispy, then I will. Or if it has cheese in the crust, ooh. Y'all see that bracelet, by the way? I love it. So if you guys saw the video yesterday, I showed you all of them. I don't know if you can see that. DahhhlingsPearls. And it has a seashell, a sea star, or what do they call them? Starfish. And then it has another kind of shell over here. Seashell, starfish, or sea star, and then another shell over here. And then, yeah, these are like pearls. I love it. There's gold ones in between, but the lighting is pretty like bad, so you can see maybe this color right here. All right. So thank you so much. At Burns House. Definitely one of my loyal Dahhhlings, I like to say subscribers. Just doesn't sound true, you know. You guys are like family, so one of my Dahhhlings, and she's pretty much built my channel pretty much since I started. A little right after I started. And yeah, so she also sent me something last year too. She sent me another bracelet and then a couple of other stuff that I could put out on my dresser. Like a crystal shard, some stones, gems, beautiful. Look how I eat the crust. All right, how about we turn up into that sandwich? Look at that. All right. Yeah. Y'all see that? All right, you guys can have the bite. There you go. So this has, you know, I always order it, but I don't know what it is. I think it's turkey, cheese, and then, you know, all the greens, a little bit of mayo, red onion, and a little bit of tomato, which is good, because I'm not a big fan of tomato. And it's crispy. It's toasted, nice and toasted. Y'all hear the crunch? Mmm. Yeah. So, thank you very, very much. At Burns House, that's the name of her channel. Go show her some love, y'all. I'm gonna put the link either right here or have it in the description below. She does mukbangs. So her videos, they range, they're about maybe 10. Usually they're all like pretty much under 15 minutes. And she does home cooking. She has, she buys stuff, restaurants, that type of thing. So she does a little bit of everything. So check her out, show her some love. Burns House, I know you're watching. I love it. It's a perfect fit. Thank you so much. Probably not gonna be much talking. No story, no topic. I'm just hungry. I hope you guys are eating something with me. I know after this, I think I'm good. Maybe another piece of pizza. But my appetite lately, like I'm hungry, but I get full quick. I can't eat a lot. Springtime's okay. The rest of the year, any time of the year, I could eat, let me tell you. I could eat, honey. No shame in my game, honey. Yep, I could pack it away. But somehow, like, summertime comes and I'm just thirsty. Cold drinks, water, tea, my sparkling water. Yep. If you guys are watching this for the first time, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button to be part of the Dahhhling family. If you all just joined, thank you so much for taking a chance on me. I hope you continue to stay with me on this journey. And my day one A1s, you already know. I see ya. Yes, can't forget you all. I see your comments. So welcome to the Dahhhling family. So this is pretty much it. Come and have dinner with you guys 5 days a week. Monday through Friday. It used to be 3 days a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So, Loves suggested what might help my channel grow is to post. There's no way I could do it every day like she does. So I started doing she goes at least 5 or more. So I've been pretty much consistent. I've seen improvement. New Dahhhlings that joined the channel. But not as much as I was hoping to see, or see my channel grow. I guess it takes time or whatever, but it's a lot of work. Like, I was pretty much getting the same amount as I was posting 3 times a week. So I'm thinking of just going back to 3 days a week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. because I don't do weekends. Well, Friday and Saturday I don't record. Sunday night I record, so this way you guys have a video on Monday. But so I'm just thinking, let me know if you guys think. I don't know, I have to see. But right now I'm just sticking to 5 days. But I'm really thinking of going back to 3 days a week. Another thing too is trying to find out like what to eat. You don't want to be like repetitive or redundant or doing the same thing, you know, every day. You gotta switch it up, have something different. It can be a little expensive too, since I don't really cook. So I usually buy dinner, and I'll have dinner for like, depends what it is. I can have it for maybe something that will last me like 2 days, like this, the pizza. And this will probably last me like 2 days. Like tomorrow, I'd probably have that, and the other half is a pizza, and then that would be good. But if you're doing videos in 5 days a week, and I will eat like once a day, so this is like my meal, one meal. Because during the day at work, I have some tea, I have a shake that I drink, and then I have a shake for lunch, and then in between I have like granola bars and just little snacks. And then when I get home, like right now, I have my dinner, and that's it. So there's no way I'm going to be doing this again. So then you end up buying something else, and it's just the mukbang life can be expensive, y'all. So I know it's cheaper just to cook whatever you have at home, but like I said, I don't cook. I don't even like being in the kitchen. Anywho, I'm getting full. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Again, thank you to all the new Dahhhlings that just joined. I appreciate that. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it on social media, however you see fit. Other than that, I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.